Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 cordless stick vacuums. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Hoover BH50020PC. Lynx cordless fade-free lithium-ion battery system. Interchangeable batteries provide cordless freedom to clean anywhere. Wind tunnel technology creates channels of suction to lift and remove surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. Extreme recline handle reaches under furniture for easier access without having to move things around. Edge cleaning bristles removes dirt, dust, and pet hair up against those hard-to-reach edges. Hoover Stick Vacuum has an interchangeable battery with charger. Wattage required, 110 watts. Fuel gauge indicates remaining battery life. Floor type, bare, carpet. Please check the description for details and best price.
Messes just happen. That's why the Hoover Lynx Signature Cordless is the go-to vacuum for those everyday messes. Just grab and go to clean on hard floors, or even on carpet whenever you need it. The Lynx Signature makes it easier than ever to keep up with the mess, no matter when it happens. Perfect for the days in between the deep cleans. The Hoover Lynx Signature Cordless Vacuum.
Number 4. Dyke Cordless Vacuum. 2-in-1 cord-free convenience, without the hassle of a cord, still provides an impressive 7 kPa of power to give you a deep, thorough cleaning. Powerful cleaning on all floor types, up to 25 minutes of fade-free suction. Lightweight and versatile, weighing only at 4.7 pounds, easy to clean up high, down low, and everywhere in between. Easy maintenance. Easy empty the dustbin with one-click action. The wall-mounted dock makes your storage even easier and saves your space. Home vac, AC power adapter, wall mount, and mounting accessories, welcome guide, are worry-free 12 months warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Dyson Cyclone V10. The most powerful suction of any cord-free vacuum. Tested to ASTM F558, against cord-free stick market. Lightweight and versatile, to clean right through the home. Instant release trigger means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Direct drive cleaner head, are most powerful yet. Up to 20 minutes of fade-free power, in suction mode too. The fully sealed filtration system traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air. Powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V10 and engineered to pick up ground-in dirt and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Dyson V7 Animal. Up to 30 minutes run time when using a non-motorized tool. Lightweight and versatile, for easy home cleaning. Instant release trigger means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Direct drive cleaner head. Up to 6 minutes of fade-free power, in max mode. Drive stiff nylon bristles into carpets to capture deep down dirt. Powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V7 and engineered to pick up ground-in dirt and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. Hygienic bin emptying. No need to touch the dirt. Bin volume 0.14 gallons. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Tinco A10 Hero. 350 watt digital motor, ultra quiet powerful suction up to 110 watt, which is 4 times than ordinary DC motor cordless vacuums, lift embedded dirt with ease. 2.87 pounds lightweight main body, lightweight perfect for heavy work from floor to ceiling. Detachable battery, runtime is upgradable and your machine can be rejuvenated after years just by changing a battery. 4 stages fully sealed filtration system, lock in small particles without leakage, expels non-allergenic fresh air. Continuous power mode switch lock, easy to empty dustbin, full-size multitasker LED power brush, storehouse, mini power brush, 2-in-1 dusting brush. Please check the description for details and best price.
Tinco. Live easy. Enjoy life.